Salute. Welcome. I'm Carvelli, Master of Finance. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Our topic today is car flipping, how to sell a flipped car fast. Number one, you must have the car in immaculate condition. And this means mechanically and have it detailed extensively. Number two, advertise it well. This means good photos and good write-ups. Don't cheap out and spend a little money. Just don't go after the free ads. Three, ask family, friends, coworkers, and past customers if they're interested in a car or if they know anybody who's interested. Four, have all your paperwork methodically planned out. This means have the title in your name ahead of time. Have a bill of sale, have all the documentation, have everything. Don't lose a sale because you're not prepared with paperwork. Five, never forget to make them drive the vehicle. It's very important. All big dealerships do this and you have to do it. It makes them create a want or need. Six, have a relationship with a financial institution. This way, if they don't have the cash to buy the car, you can send them somewhere to get a loan and help them out. Also, you could get a kickback from the bank for sending them. Seven, you must reply to the customers who contact you immediately. Don't leave them hanging. They're going to go right to the next place. And remember, this is by text, phone call, email, whatever you got to do. Even if you're working, try to find a way to contact them. Eight, have aftermarket products in place. One example is if they want a warranty and you don't sell them, maybe they won't buy the car without that warranty. So you must have these products in place to build their confidence. Nine, play the part. Don't look like you're going to the beach or you're going to play basketball, volleyball, or something. You have to really play the part. And remember, look at the local dealership down the street, how they dress. Be a professional, dress like a professional, and act like a professional. 10, make the effort and go the extra mile. For example, if you have a client who works a lot and they just can't get out to see the car, you can bring them the car. Or if you have a stay-at-home dad who has 2 kids and he just can't get out to see the car, you can help him out. Also, remember, this is going to put you above the competition. Click on the links below for ebooks, courses, and merchandise. masterfinance.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok. And like us on Facebook at masterfinance.com. Tell all your friends and family worldwide about these great videos. And don't forget to check out carvelli.foundation for some great causes. I'm Carvelli. It's time you get the help you deserve today. God bless. Much love.